Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to order checks on TD Canada EasyWeb. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website, then click on Login under EasyWeb Online Banking. Now, log in with your username or access card and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Add Accounts and Services. Now, scroll down to this page until you see a section for Order Checks. Under Order Checks is a button for Order Now. Click on the Order Now button. To start your order, first you need to select an account. After selecting, click on Next. Now on this page, you need to verify your contact information. Please note that, if you want to make changes to your name, you need to visit a branch. While if you want to change address, just click on Change Address, then follow the on-screen instructions and prompt. If everything looks good, click on the Proceed to Order button. A pop-up message will appear saying that you are leaving EasyWeb. It is because you will be directed to another page where you can order the check. To proceed, click on Continue. And now you will see the personalization of your check. To proceed with your order, click on the Continue Order button. That's how you order checks on TD Canada EasyWeb. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.